What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are back at it with another vlogmas. You guys, I hope that you are enjoying this vlogmas so far. So good so far. So far so good, right? All right, you guys, so it is Saturday. So first and foremost, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I just got back home from the nail salon. Yes, you guys, the nail salon. Went and got my nails done. Finally, once again. I know it's summer when I'll come for me, but the nail business with the food, but I don't have to watch. 1 and 2, I not cook for you, so I don't have to worry about the nail situation. Okay? But let's make it note right off the rip. Self-love, self-care, nail done, toes done, okay? Today I am going to an event. I wanted to make some soup, but it's not going to happen today. Okay? It's definitely not going to happen today because I have an event to go. The event starts at 6 o'clock. It's presently 3:45 right now, okay? Just got back home with my oldest daughter from getting my nails and toes done. So right now, I'm going to head to the kitchen and grab something to eat. I have some leftovers, some leftover porridge that I did make the other day. And yes, when I say leftover, I mean leftover, okay? It is leftover. So I'm going to warm up some of that because I'm really hungry. Get something in my stomach, and I'm going to go eat that for now. But yeah, welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. All right. Hey, baby. Welcome back to the vlog, y'all. And like I said, make sure that you guys are liking, you guys are sharing, you guys are subscribing, you guys are doing all that other good stuff. And yes, it is dark back here. I am still in the process of doing yard work, okay? So I'm definitely still doing yard work, you guys. So really want to get that, done as soon as possible. Still have some more things to do for sure. Have my leftover porridge that I have to eat because I'm not going to wait until when I get to the event to have something to eat. I have to eat something right now. So I figured let me go ahead and get my situation with my vlog mass out the way and bring you guys a quick video. I hope that you guys did enjoy my vlog yesterday. Yesterday was December 13th, and like I was telling you guys in that video, that was my sad day. But I still wanted to make sure that you guys got something from me. So yeah, thank you guys for the likes and for the share and for the thumbs up. Everything that you guys do, appreciate it, okay? All right, so, and for ones that don't appreciate the vlog, too bad. All right, so I am making I am drinking leftover Hominy porridge. I already made it for you guys the other day. If you had missed it, I made this porridge maybe I'd say 3 days ago. However long I made it, it was in the refrigerator, and I still have some still in the refrigerator. There's a little bit left over that I'm going to have for tomorrow. Maybe it was going to eat it before me, but anywho's. Hominy porridge. All right, still look nice, fresh and good. The staler, the better. Let me see. Let me tell you something about Hominy porridge, right? You see, if you make it the right way, if you make the porridge the right way, right? And when you put the leftover in the refrigerator, it's going to taste even better because all the flavors from the vanilla, the cinnamon, the cinnamon sticks, the bay leaf, the cinnamon powder, all of that good stuff, you go ahead and know that you're safe because all the flavors are still marinating. So good. And this is definitely authentic. So good. Nice and hot. Well, I have to say though, on my way to the nail salon, daughters did stop in so not Subway. What am I talking about? Starbucks. She did stop in Starbucks because it was pretty early, and got me one of them Danish sandwiches. It was good, but it was very small, and it kind of hold me over for that time. And we didn't stop and get anything to eat on the road because we are going to an event, and I want to be able to maybe, fingers crossed, eat what they have there. Okay, so yeah. This porridge is busting. Like, literally busting. Yeah, you guys, but that's it. Yard work is still happening. I will presently speak. Yard work is still in effect, okay? So, maybe Monday. Maybe Monday, y'all, before it gets finished. I think it's going to be raining tomorrow, so that's a no work day. But I just want to make sure that I come on here really quick and give you guys a vlog, a very quick one. I should have put, no, it's perfect, y'all. If I had some hardwood bread and butter. Maybe some crackers. I do have some crackers here. I do have some crackers, you guys. Do have some crackers. So, crack up some crackers in there. Maybe 2 crackers. I don't want to get too full. But that would definitely work. Time for truth. Yeah. The crackers really do something to it special. Yeah, you guys, so that is it. This is definitely not going to be a long one. But I'll give you some snippet later on of what comes next. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and all goes well, I may be able to do a cooking recipe tomorrow. A cooking video. Don't know what it's going to be yet, but it may be something. So make sure that you got your post notification on, so you know once that video is up and running, you guys catch it, okay? The weather's not bad today. But it's gonna rain tomorrow. But that is it, you guys. This is gonna be a very short one. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, Life is Juliana, please go over and subscribe to the channel, okay? Support your girl over this though. This thing tastes like me just cook it. Really, really good. Alright, you guys, enough love, big up on yourself. Remember, tell me what I'd like to see me I cook next time in the kitchen, okay? And always remember, walk good. And always remember also from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Later.